Welcome to Chapter 9 of the Shapley Values series. In this chapter, we will discuss Shapley Sampling Values, a useful approximation for calculating Shapley values in practice. Let's dive right in. As we have just seen, it's almost impossible to calculate Shapley regression values in practice. This is why another concept is widely used to approximate Shapley values instead of exactly calculating them. This concept is known as Shapley Sampling Values. In this approach, there no longer need to be 2 to the power of n different model trainings for n features, but there is one single model f that is trained on all the features. To be precise, to calculate the Shapley sampling values, one uses the prediction of the model f while excluding the feature I for the prediction, and the prediction of the model f including the feature I for the prediction. So to summarize, in order to calculate Shapley regression values, 2 to the power of n models need to be trained for n features, and each model is then used to predict for the feature subsets S including and excluding feature I, whereas for calculating Shapley sampling values, only a single model f is trained on all the features, and the same model is then used to create predictions for subsets S including and excluding feature I. This approach saves a lot of time, as retraining of the model for each feature subset S is no longer required. Because in practice it's almost impossible to calculate Shapley regression values, we will focus on Shapley sampling values from now on. Note that when dealing with Shapley sampling values, we are now using an approximation of the Shapley regression values, but they should still give us fairly accurate insights on the local explainability of a feature for a specific forecast.